Hello and welcome to our video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll explore the enormous impact Enhanced Preventive Maintenance, or EPM, can have in the food and beverage industry. If you're in a maintenance or operations team, this is for you. We'll provide insights on how EPM is not just about keeping machines in tip-top shape, but also about ensuring food safety, which can be a game changer for consumer health and brand reputation. Let's start by understanding what EPM entails. It means integrating the maintenance team as a key player in food safety, alongside prioritizing food safety needs within the maintenance schedule. This approach not only minimizes the risk of foodborne illnesses, but also boosts customer and consumer confidence in the product. Now, why is preventive maintenance so vital, especially in the food and beverage sector? It's all about prevention. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture, or USDA, along with state health authorities, have stringent requirements for maintenance because any lapse can introduce hazards into the food production process. These can range from physical contaminants like metal shards to biological hazards like bacteria due to improper temperature control. Maintenance isn't just about fixing machines, it's about a proactive approach that includes the design and setup of equipment. This brings us to the three main types of maintenance: upon design, scheduled, and reactive. Each plays a distinct role in preventing risks and hazards. Upon design focuses on the initial setup of equipment, ensuring everything from material selection to sanitary design is geared towards maintaining food safety. Scheduled maintenance is what you typically think of: regular checks and updates to keep everything running as expected. Reactive maintenance is the emergency response when something unexpected happens, which, while unavoidable, should be minimized through effective preventive measures. Enhanced preventive maintenance goes beyond these basics. It involves three key principles. First, preventive maintenance activities must aim to minimize food safety risks. Second, the maintenance department should actively control food safety through hazard identification and risk management. Third, food safety needs must be a priority in setting maintenance schedules. These principles are not just good practice. They're often required by third-party audit schemes like Safe Quality Foods, or SQF, and the British Retail Consortium, or BRC. These standards demand that equipment does not pose a contamination threat and that maintenance schedules cover all critical areas for product safety. Now let's talk about the role of the maintenance team in hazard identification. They are on the front lines, often the first to notice when a piece of equipment is off. But it's crucial that they work closely with operators who use the equipment daily. This partnership can quickly identify and address potential issues before they become serious problems. However, effective maintenance isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about strategic planning and integration into the broader business objectives. This includes setting priorities that balance food safety with operational efficiency, often requiring tough decisions like pulling equipment out of service for upgrades or redesigns. Throughout this video, we've seen how essential maintenance is in ensuring food safety, but it's also about communication and training. Operators and maintenance teams must be well trained and encouraged to report issues. Simple observations can identify potential food safety risks, and addressing these promptly can prevent serious consequences like recalls. In conclusion, enhanced preventive maintenance is more than a set of tasks. It's a comprehensive approach that integrates maintenance into the heart of food safety and quality assurance. By following these practices, food companies can not only comply with regulatory requirements, but also protect consumers and enhance their brand reputation. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of enhanced preventive maintenance in the food and beverage industry, the role of the maintenance team, and the key principles of EPM. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, effective maintenance is not just about preventing breakdowns, it's about ensuring food safety and quality. Stay tuned for more insights on how to keep your operations safe and efficient.